Today I'll be reviewing my walk in the Waterfall Park with my mom and dad and sister for Mother's Day. Yeah, it was fun. Also, go check out the description for my new merch drop. Like the intro said, we're going to be looking at my waterfall trip and how that was, so let's jump right into it. Right, we're getting into it with the first video. This is the first waterfall. Yep, pretty nice. I think it was like a 34-foot waterfall. Yeah, so continuing on, as soon as this ends. So let's continue. This is a okay photo. I mean, I had the portrait mode on, so okay. That one was better. That looks like a good photo. Okay, that's a bad photo. I was blinking. I think it was like a mile, 2 mile long trail. Uh, um, we walked like half of it because part of it was closed because of like, I don't know, probably a tree fell or something. But yeah, this is the same waterfall, I'm gonna say. Closer shot. Yeah, this is the same waterfall. So this was a really nice one. That's a good photo. That's a bad photo because that's in portrait mode. This is just a little thing that I thought was cool because of, as you can tell, the beginning of this was this part here. Just looked cool. This is the second waterfall. I think this is 10 feet, 11 feet. Wasn't that tall, but yeah. So let's continue. That's a nice photo. Okay, this is also a good photo, I guess. Yep. This is a different angle of the same waterfall, I think. I can't tell. This is a third waterfall, I think. Yeah, they were all really nice waterfalls. It's all connected by one big river, so it's pretty cool. Now this is a 94-foot waterfall. This one was insane. That's a view from the bottom. Ugh, come on. Can't believe I had my finger in the way of that. Ugh. Again, my finger's still in the way. It's still amazing how tall it is. This was just a little waterfall, I guess. Yeah. So this is a trophy I won at a jazz band concert. It has nothing to do with this waterfall. This was like a week later. Yeah, so we got first place, middle school jazz band. We were also the only middle school jazz band, so yeah, it's pretty nice. Yeah, this is a strike zone that we made. So yeah, that was it. And yeah, so that concludes this review, I guess you can call it. Check my new merch drop in the description. Yeah, first video with these new mics. Yeah, so alright, that concludes the video. Alright, this is my review of the microphones that I'm getting. I'll put in a video right now for once. Maybe I only closed one door. I'll go to the second door, though. Alright, this is me whispering almost directly into the mic, as quiet as I can. I will say this is like 4th attempt. Door opens, coming back into the room, and I was not yelling. You can ask my dad. That was pretty cool. So yeah, check the description. I'll put a link to the description of the microphones in the video. I bought 3 of them for like $20. It was a steal, but yeah.